On today's episode, we'll be making Southern classic shrimp and grits. Let's get started. So first we're going to saute some onion and garlic. What happened, Dad?
The juice in the onion makes the onion slippery. You keep from cutting yourself.
And keep from cutting yourself? Oh, that's great, Dad. That looks great.
That's all I need. I don't need that much.
So now I'm gonna dump the onions in the pan. Be careful, everyone. Now dump the garlic. And then, last but not least, salt and pepper. Now stir it around. So now we're gonna add the grits into the pot. Now we're gonna sprinkle in a little flour.
Here, buddy, stir this around. Stir that.
Now I add in chicken stock and tomato sauce. I'll add a tomato sauce.
Just a little bit.
A little bit? Okay.
Probably half of it.
I don't know if that's about enough. Maybe that's about enough.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Now for our grits, we're gonna add heavy cream and cheese. So now we add sugar and chipotle season. So now we add the Old Bay seasoning shrimp. So now to finish it off, let's add some cream. So our shrimp is ready and our grits is ready. Now we have to plate it. So here's our Southern classic shrimp and grits. Now I hope you really enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe. Leave a like and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!